Nice rack, about 10 feet tall, maybe 12 foot long. 2-inch pipe, 1-inch square tubing, not much of that. Just a flat plate, probably 20 foot long pieces, strips of it. Here's all the plate and short iron that's next to the container that we just looked in. Two-inch plate. Half-inch plate. More half-inch. 7/8. 3/16. 5-gallon drums full of small stuff. More small stuff, a little bit of aluminum. Plate. Like a 40 foot piece of plate there by maybe 5 feet. Steel tubing that they use for keep everything off the ground. More angle, various sizes. Quarter on up, about 20 feet long. Quartered half-inch angle plate, I-beam. 8-inch channel. There's some supports on them. There's like 28 of them. Bundled up. Another pile. Some short plate. No telling what. Angle about 8 feet long. Looks like about 8 pieces. There's 4 pieces of about 8 foot long, 8-inch square tubing, about a half-inch thick. Swinging around, some more I-beam, some lighter gauge square tubing, pretty long piece, couple pieces here. I'm walking along the west property line. Another good size I-beam. Smaller ones, some tubing, lighter gauge. Another pile, some pretty thick stuff there. More I-beams, just everything all mixed together, some grading underneath. These pieces are about 20 feet, maybe a little less. Some 40-foot piece of angle, 4-inch or so, maybe 6. Some big stuff up underneath there too, angle. Some 3 by 6-inch square tubing, lighter gauge, 48, all different gauges, up to half-inch, 12 by 12. These pieces are about 30 feet long. Some of these bigger ones are probably a little longer. And then here's one I-beam that's probably 8-inch. Can't tell. It's probably 50-footer. More I-beams. Pretty thick stuff. piles back there. And use a piece of galvanized plate and some thinner stuff. Some steel underneath it. Go into the steel pipe. Some of it's thicker gauge than the others. Some other stuff mixed in with it. It's a 5-inch, made in the Ukraine steel there. 16-inch, 8-inch, on down. Might need a few more underneath there. These are 27 feet, 29 feet, 1 inch. Some more square steel tubing in the back. Heavy gauge 2-inch by 8-inch. A little rack and trolley going into the building, which I think the raw materials are ours, and I'm not sure about the trolley.